Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a fresh mango ice cream which is very easy to make. First chop some mangoes into small pieces and place them in the juicer jar. And after that juice it. Now take another mango and cut it into small pieces. Now take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of whipped cream and then beat it. And make sure to beat them until it has a soft peak. And now add our mango puree which we have made before on the whipped cream. And now add some chopped mango. And also add orange food color so that it has a great color. Now take any bowl, pour the cream into the batter. And add on top of it some leftover mango puree. And add some vanilla whipped cream on top of it and then mix it like this with a stick. And then add some toppings. We added mango and pomegranate. You guys can add anything you want. Now we are going to put a foil on top of it and then we are going to refrigerate it until it is hard. And now keep it in the freezer for overnight, and after putting in the freezer after an overnight we are going to now serve it. And for the toppings we added some mango. This was very delicious and yummy. It is also very simple to make, so if you have some mango or anything you can make this. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.